Hello and welcome to Bforex.com Global Market Review. We've seen negative data from the Eurozone and the US continue to come on the downside. Disappointing data last week. It's interesting to see how this week plays out. However, ladies and gentlemen, bear in mind that the regular trader and investor are still keeping fundamentals aside. The market has now come to terms with negative data. This we know. All the economies in the world are currently in a recession. It's a problem. However, what are investors looking at the moment? Well, on the headlines at the moment, the next big question coming up is the bailout plan for the auto industry in the US. The three big manufacturers such as GM, Ford and Chrysler, are they going to be pulled out by the US government? Will they be bailed out? That's the question currently. Also, it'll be interesting to see how deep this bailout plan by the US government comes into play. Are they going to pull out some of the major financial companies in the US or not? The regular American will tell you, let the greedy bastards fall. Excuse my language, but that's the way people feel at the moment. From an investor's point of view, this could have detrimental effects for the US economy long term. It is important to look at it to keep the picture, not just on the shorter term, but also on the longer term. On the shorter term, a bailout plan could have negative impacts for the taxpayer. However, longer term, it could be beneficial for the US economy. Therefore, maybe most Americans are feeling that the so-called CEOs of these major financial companies being coined as greedy bastards. However, it will be interesting to see how it actually plays out if the bailout plan does come into action. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow.